Hi, we're back with the Enter Team Firework, Big Suki, and Jyuugoya. 2024 Smash Big Suki. Oh, right. Big Suki did not get released this year. I'm sorry. It's because of the whole video for Lune thing. Anyway, I love all three songs, so I'm excited to watch this live performance.
3組目のグループは
パフォーマンスがみんな息ぴったりだし、めちゃくちゃかっこいい。
9人だからこそ見せれるパフォーマンス
They're adorable.
とダンスのめっちゃ揃ってるところを見てほしい。
ダンスかっこいいビジュアルせーのイージーマッケイニコラスマクロータルタキマキ楽しいんです
Enter Team. Oh. Why would the camera start there? I thought it was a fan cam for a second. I was like, I still very much listen to both versions of the song. Yeah, I really love both versions. Firework. Undercut! Maki looks great. His voice! His voice as well. Thank you.
You know that we feel the same. Oh! Voices to the光は願い込めたシュールスター君を探していた Light me up まるでマジック You and I 忘れない目と目が合った瞬間 Bang bang 空に咲いた Firework 確かで漠然とした期待を確かにした君との出会いが教えてくれた僕は一人じゃないと
Fuma vocals.
I know in a lie わめく胸のリフ I know in a lie 夏の夜が僕に落とした
Voice
きっとどかせもう一度火をつけ君と僕が僕へ変わってく今重なるあの子が夜に舞う花びら照らす君の姿僕はただ見ていた Light me up I'm a little magic You and I 忘れない君と出会った瞬間 Bang bang 空に咲いた Firework 会いたい No going back 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 踏み出す Running so fast 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 後悔なんてしたくない絶対 Tonight あの夜空に届けたい一人じゃ届かないでも僕らは手を伸ばす Firework Hey Oh 降り注ぐ光は願い込めた勝利さ君を探していた Light me up まるで Magic You and I 忘れない目と目が合った瞬間 Bang bang 空に咲いた Firework
Y'all, as much as I say I love both versions, the entire time listening to these, the Korean lyrics are the ones going through my head. So I was confused at times because I was like, oh right, that's Korean. Still love both versions. Still listen to both though.
Pick up the phone 夢の中もずっと惑わせるからそばにいても虹は時間はチョコのよう溶けてはつけて知らずに近づいて
I'm afraid of you.
Look what you made me do You made me do You made me do Eye to eye 知りたい Tonight Just say
Okay.
Got the love sweet 단지긴 하늘도 시선을 hold 빅 kiss and kill Like the chopsticks, put the lead on matching I can be your Romeo
Hair looks really good with that cut, y'all. They sound amazing. I love that hair on him as well.
Look what you made me do, you made me do, you made me do. Got the love sick, I'm taking. 하레듯이 쏟아오더니 삐숙이숙이를 Like the drumsticks, 피땀을 다 맺지. I can be a Romeo, 더 높게 my love for fire. Just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like big, 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 big love. Say it right now,
Say it right now.
do it right now,
Do it right now.
Say it right now, say it right now, do it right now.
That's my favorite part of the song, Maki.
Just say it. Got the love sick, I'm taking. 하레듯이 쏟아오더니 삐숙이숙이를 Like a chopstick, 휘날리는 나진. I can be a Romeo, 더 높게 my love's on fire. Just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like big, 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 big love. Just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like. So today, come on, show, let's go.
What are we singing now? Oh, why am I asking like I don't know? I also really love this song. I'm paired with Ayowarashi. When I listen to Ayowarashi, I listen to this one right after. I love the song so much as well. Ooh, happiness when I listen to this. Just happiness. Yeah. The instrumental for the song. His eyes are so sparkly, look at him. My favorite part of the song.
メンティームの皆さんありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。さあさあ、ところでですね、
はいはい
最近、
I don't think that has captions. Does that have captions? I love that song so much as well. Just like Ayorashi, when I listen to it, I get a bit emotional but happy. It's a very, very happy emotion that sometimes I may tear up. Those two songs, they just make me so happy. I don't know what it is about them, but I really, really love them. Anyway, this one does not have captions, so I'm not gonna watch the rest of the video because it looks like they're just gonna be talking, maybe like an interview type thing. And if I'm not gonna understand a single thing that they're saying, then why even watch it? But anyway, I loved the performance. I expected them to do full choreos for all of these, but they didn't, which was okay. Their vocals were vocaling, they were on point. They sounded really, really good. I love these 3 songs. I love them even more live because they sound amazing. But anyway, hopefully one day I will get to see N-Team live. Even I don't believe that. But anyway, that is all. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.